Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that have been following me a while, you know that besides gardening, one of my other passions is baking. Since we moved back to the homestead, I haven't baked any cakes or banana bread or anything like that because my pans have still not arrived. So I decided to go out and buy some pans, and I'm going to show you how I make my delicious pound cake. So my old mixer, standalone mixer, died. And through the YouTube affiliate program, I was able to obtain a new one from Lowe's. I'll put the information in the description portion of the video, but this is smaller than what I had. It was a KitchenAid, and this is smaller, but it has a bigger bowl and a more powerful engine. The ingredients for my pound cake are sour cream. We have a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a fourth a teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks of butter, 6 whole eggs, 3 cups of sugar, and 3 cups of flour. The first thing we're going to do is to cream the sugar and the butter together. So we're going to take the sugar, pour it into the bowl. Then we're going to take the butter and put it in. I forgot to mention, everything has to be room temperature. And we're going to lower it down. We're going to use speeds 2 or 4 for mixing. This is going to run for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until the butter and sugar have creamed together and becomes pale in color. So it's been about 7 minutes, and this is the consistency that you want the mixture of the butter and sugar to be. Next, we're going to add the eggs one at a time and mix them. So all 6 of the eggs have been blended in. And next, I'm going to take the flour, the baking soda, and the salt, mix it together, and pour, starting with the flour first, a third of the flour in, and then mix that in, and then add a third of the sour cream, and keep doing that until everything has been incorporated. We're going to scrape down the panel. And remove it. Going to unlock our bowl. And we're going to fold down or clean the sides, scrape the sides rather is what I'm looking for. And then last thing we're going to do is add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And we're going to fold that in. And just like that, the batter is ready. Now, normally I prefer to use a butt pan when doing cakes, especially pound cakes. And funny story, I placed these cake pans or loaf pans into my Walmart cart along with some silicone butt pans. And I never ordered the silicone butt pans. So we're going to go ahead and make the pound cakes with these, and in the future use a butt pan. Have the cakes in the oven, and now we're going to set the timer for how long they're going to be in. And yes, I'm being lazy, but I can do it from my phone. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And it's for an hour and 15 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. We're going to go ahead and set it for an hour and 15 minutes. And now it is set, and I'll get an alert on my phone when it goes off. So here is the end result for one of them. It came out pretty well, although, like I said, I would have preferred to use a bunt pan. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. If you haven't subscribed, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.